rounds tomorrow because the winner of this game will get that elusive first win and take that second spot doon sa Pool A.
Both these teams, mga sanay na rin sa 3x3 basketball scene. Carlo De Chavez, ginawa niya kanina, 4 na 2 yung kanyang pinakawalan, kaso hindi pa rin sapat against the Story. How will they bounce back, both these teams? David Carlos, we know what he can do, proving that he's not just a professional dunker, but he can also hoop. He can also play basketball. You're watching us live on PusoE.com. Live and free yan, ha? Oh, medyo patapos na ang ating araw. We're almost at the home stretch ng ating Day 1 of the Pilipinas United 3x3 League. Bukas po, 11 AM magsisimula ang ating mga laro. 18 games kasama na po yung celebrity games natin, yung playoffs, semifinals, and finals. Ito, a 3.2-pointer. Knocked down by Patrick Jamieson. Yutien Andrada. David Carlos, one-legged jumper is a miss.
Still no go for him.
AJ Benson can't get it to go. Yutien Andrada hands it off. David Carlos against a much slower Carlo De Chavez. Blows right past him, and the layup is good.
And Patrick James is just chucking it out from Rainbow Country. He tried it from the top of the arc and in both corners.
Two and two is the score. Ezekiel Ibarra binalik na dito or nakakita na ng minuto dito. David Carlos. Ongteco, give and go action. David Carlos, a basket and one. There you see it. The David Carlos we all know.
And that was just a nice drive for David Carlos. Eventually that will fall down. He's trying his best in attacking the basketball. I think he's still gonna participate in the dunk contest tomorrow.
I wouldn't be surprised. I would be mad if he would not, join.
My question is, how many people will he jump over?
That patented.
Yeah. I'll be mad if David doesn't jump over anyone.
Hindi lang yun yung dapat abangan bukas. Yung celebrity game din, yun talaga yung X-factor dun bukas.
Nakita mo na yung mga pangalan, ha?
Ayaw mo pa kasi ilabas, eh.
May approval pa, eh. Kailangan pa ano yun.
Pero confirmed na.
I think so.
Basta isa na doon si Bossing.
Oo. Yun, nailabas na yun.
Oo. 4-3 is the score, 8-19. Couple of empty possessions for these two teams. Ishkoche. Papalitan muna dito. Patrick Jamieson, now AJ Benson. Binigay dito sa ilalim. Carlo De Chavez. Now he's trying to operate inside. Kanina yung mga ginagawa niya all from distance. That's Yutien Andrada for you once again. The spin and the basket.
That's just tit for tat between Yutien Andrada and Carlo De Chavez. Let's take a look. That was a nice pass by AJ Benson inside to Carlo De Chavez with that under goal stab.
Carlo De Chavez thought about it. AJ Benson free.
Steps out of bounds. 5-4. That quarter, that space there is not really that much.
Isa lang ang kalamangan dito ng Activate Sports. David Carlos, papahinga muna. Ezekiel Ibarra.
Oh, nice steal by Utes.
Binalik din agad David Carlos. Kasi kaya niya nang gumawa ngayon eh. Bakit mo ilalabas na ilalabas,
I mean,
diba?
just try the hot hand, especially with his confidence going on high. Oh, nice. Nutmeg pass.
Between the legs. So now it ended up with AMG PT Clinic.
At by AJ Benson, masyadong malalim yung pasa. Hindi niya nakuha yung balance.
Oh,
Carlo
oh.
De Chavez. JR Onteco. To the cutting David Carlos. Sablay nga lang yung reverse.
Kinulang lang ng English.
UTN with the board. Still the score is 5-4. Great
nice.
cut inside. JR Onteco.
That is why you continue marking your man. Because the moment you stop, you allow them to be freed up.
Oops, oops, oops. Merong clear possession itong Activate Sports.
Yeah, was unable to clear itong AMG PT Clinic. That AJ Benson was almost unaware why he made that mistake.
6-4 is the score. 6:43 remaining. Let's see this again. Newton and Andrada imposing his will down low. Something that he wasn't able to do that much earlier. Back into the ball game. A small lineup for Activate. 2-guard lineup.
Try to quicken the pace.
Patrick Jamieson, quick trigger, no. Medyo napako tayo sa 6-4. Binalik na dito, UTN Andrada. Carlos the cut, the pivot, the reverse, no. Patrick Jamieson swishes that one through.
That's the second conversion from long distance.
Ezekiel Ibarra, binawi naman agad. Lamang na ulit ang Activate Sports, 8-6.
And you got to love the battle down low between UTN Andrada and Carlo De Chavez. They're just jostling for position every single time. But look at that. Patrick Jamieson swish from distance, which was immediately answered back by that deuce from Ezekiel Ibarra.
Cross-court pass, AJ Benson. Short pa din yan.
Seems like he's getting a lot of difficulty heaving that deuce.
Ezekiel Ibarra na naman. There, Onteco drives hard, lays it up, and lays it in.
Look at that move by JR Onteco, making use of that length of his. That has been his signature ever since his days with St. Benilde. But Patrick Jamieson, he's unconscious.
Oh. Something interesting happening here. Some color developing. Patrick Jamieson and David Carlos going at it.
I told you tensions are starting to pick up.
Eto na. Pinakawala na yung mga panabong natin na manok. Pero all good. Kita mo naman, apira naman agad.
You expect that level of physicality. And of course, our referees are just quick to, in a way,
Pacify.
yeah. I mean, we expect physicality. We don't expect violence, obviously.
There's a thick line.
Yep.
A fine line.
Especially in this day and age. Oh my goodness. Sometimes it gets
where
blurred.
we have all the cameras around us. JR Ongteco, tough jumper, no good. Rebound AJ Benson. Crossover spin. 3 seconds to go.
That was short for Patrick Jameson.
Ezekiel Ibarra. Offensive board, JR Ongteco, pirouettes, reverses, and a basket plus the foul.
And that's hard because AMG PT Clinic was just too late to recover, leaving Patrick Jameson all by his lonesome, battling Ongteco and Yutien Andrada. The Bigs has to do a better job in recovering in the paint.
AJ Benson finally, after missing his last 4 attempts from beyond the arc.
With 4 minutes and 38. Check ball.
JR Ongteco challenging the defense of AJ Benson. Although Benson is probably a couple of inches shorter than Ongteco, pero yung lapad naman.
Yeah, he's heftier. Again, and the curious thing is, those two players are both former Blazers.
And that delay, that's going to be a technical call here on Activate Sports. So
Technical foul.
And the thing with technical foul is it counts as a team foul, so that puts Activate Sports with 6, 1 more, and they're in penalty situation.
So, AMG PT Clinic down by 2.
Patrick Jameson, look at the speed of Patrick.
And that's a foul, so that means 2 more free throws. Just look at that speed. Beating Ibarra to the cup.
Is the first.
First free throws in for Patrick Jameson, making a strong case for player of the game if they win it.
You jinxed it though.
Wala naman ako sinabing perfect. Ongteco fading away. No, Yutien. Ito, two big lineup na sila. David Carlos, JR Ongteco, and Yutien Andrada.
David almost losing it. He has to pass.
Oh,
Sorry miss coming from Yutien. But they regained possession courtesy of David Carlos.
Ongteco's demanding it. He got the mismatch. Nice block by Benson. That's gonna be another foul.
That's the second mini altercation.
Second fight David Carlos has taken in this game.
Yung last gamble kasi,
Yep.
yung last reach in ni
Didn't
David
appreciate
Carlos.
it.
Oh, ay natamaan sa mukha itong si AJ Benson.
Yan yung money maker eh. But also for David Carlos, he has to do a better job. However, oh my goodness, that's another foul for AMG PT Clinic. So,
penalty na.
so Carlo De Chavez puts his team in a penalty situation. This would be 2 free throws for UT and Andrada.
Naku!
Who was I about to say was steady from the free throw line, but I was not. I was happy that I did not blurt that out. That was what, wide right, super wide right.
And strong. Gusto pala niya.
That's what he wanted.
Gusto pala niya off the glass. Patrick Jameson knocks
wow.
it down, rattles it in. 5 points away itong AMG PT Clinic, 16-13. Carlo De Chavez. Back to Carlo from AJ Benson. Carlo had a shot. 3 points. Could have extended the lead down or up to 5 kung naipasok niya yung tira niya na yun. Yeah, but CV timeout once again. 9 team fouls. Both teams in the penalty, but let's see this again. That block
Yeah,
from
yun yung
AJ
huling
Benson.
exchange between those two. And obviously Patrick Jameson, nilinis muna yung ring bago pumasok. But what a performance for Patrick Jameson in this game. I mean, last time we saw him in this 3x3 court, he was playing for Northport and Blackwater in the PBA circuit. Now showing why he deserves a look from teams.
Carlo De Chavez. Medyo minamalas dito no, sa laro na to.
Oh, nice read by AJ Benson. He played himself.
Siya rin ang nakawala
Crossed
ng bola.
himself over.
And si Kelly Barra badly missed that shot. Carlo De Chavez, 2-man game, and he scores once again.
Patrick Jameson's just making things happen for AMG.
Oh, David Carlos, he had bad intentions.
Wanted the preview for tomorrow. But you know, he wanted to pump some life back to his team. They're starting to fall behind by 5. Something's gotta give.
Malayo pa naman ito, JR Ongteco. Cutting the lead down 4.
They have to find a way to stop this man.
That's what you're talking about. Patrick Jameson needs to be stopped. 1 more point. AJ Benson for the win. Fouled by JR Ongteco.
And this is painful because this will be the 10th team foul for Activate Sports. Not only will AMG PT Clinic have 2 chances at the free throw line, they will also get possession. So that was botched. 1 more chance, and then they will still get possession.
AMG PT Clinic escaping Activate Sports. With 2 minutes and 20 seconds to spare, both teams got in foul trouble.